If you're looking for a smarter way to plan and manage your travels, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use Navan's AI travel assistant to make your trip planning and coordination effortless. Whether you're a frequent business traveler or someone planning your next vacation, Navan's AI-powered assistant streamlines the whole experience. Stick around to see how this tool can simplify your travel and save you valuable time. Navan's AI travel assistant uses advanced artificial intelligence to handle nearly every aspect of your trip. It acts as a personal concierge, helping you find the best flights, hotels, and car rentals based on your preferences and travel goals. But what sets Navan apart is how it integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. You don't have to search through dozens of websites or manage multiple tabs. Navan compiles everything into one easy-to-use interface. You can start by simply telling Navan where you want to go. It will suggest multiple options, taking into account your preferences, budget, and schedule. For example, let's say you need a flight from New York to London in the next 2 weeks. Navan's AI will give you personalized recommendations with the best flight options, including layover times, cost comparisons, and even potential discounts. This eliminates the hassle of having to manually search through flight comparison websites. Another awesome feature is Navan's ability to suggest accommodations and car rentals. Once you've booked your flight, Navan can instantly pull up a list of hotels near your destination, matching your criteria such as location, price range, and amenities. And if you need transportation during your stay, it can also help you reserve a car rental, providing you with options that best fit your needs. But Navan isn't just about making the booking process easier. It's also an incredibly efficient tool for managing your travel in real time. Once your trip is booked, the AI assistant will keep you updated on flight status, gate changes, or any unexpected disruptions. Plus, it can suggest alternative routes or accommodations if anything changes during your journey, ensuring you're always on top of your plans. A major advantage of using Navan's AI travel assistant is that it learns over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences. It adapts to your travel habits, offering personalized suggestions and even anticipating your needs before you have to ask. For instance, if you tend to prefer early morning flights or specific hotel brands, Navan will start prioritizing those options for you automatically. Now, here's the best part. You can try out Navan's AI travel assistant completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right. With our exclusive bonuses, you can experience the full benefits of the AI assistant at no cost. But that's not all. Stick with us and we'll give you access to an extended free trial so you can explore all of Navan's premium features at your own pace. Whether you're new to travel planning or an experienced traveler, Navan's AI travel assistant can make your trips smoother and more enjoyable. So don't wait, click that link below to start your free trial today and make your next trip a breeze.